I've had some problems with my 2007 4Runner where the intermittent washer switch wasn't working, and I looked for videos on YouTube to find out how to replace it. The only one that I found was one that requires you to remove the steering wheel. Well, that's definitely not necessary. You need a special puller for that, and some sockets and things, but that's not what you need to replace this switch or your light switch. Either one of those just requires a screwdriver and a little pry tool. I'll show you how to do it. And it only takes about, I don't know, 10 minutes at the most. Not even 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So here it is, the wiper switch. I've already replaced it, but I'm gonna take it back out and show you how it's done, because you do not have to remove the steering wheel. You have one screw down here. Remove that one, if I can get it. There we go. It's one screw. You have two more in the front. One, I don't know if you can see it, right there, and another one right there. So remove both of those. Sorry for the camera stuff. Two. Three. And you use a little pry tool to pry this open. That's pretty easy. Pop the top cover off, the bottom cover. Move this screw here and this screw here. So you have a total of 5 screws. Pull that off. Pull that off. Pop your electrical off by, I don't know if you can see it, hopefully you can. Just pop your electrical jack off right here. Pop that off. That's all there is to it. Here's the old switch. Here's the new switch. I'm just going to put it right back in. Put it like that, reverse the process, and you're done. Now, the dealership wanted $268 for the switch. I got mine off of Amazon for $61. It is compatible, and the part numbers are, let's see if I can, here, I'll show you. 84656, no, I'm sorry, 84652, 14642. A dealer OEM part, $268. Amazon, $61. And they are compatible with other 4Runners and the FJ. So for $61 and basically 10 minutes of my time, I got it done. And I don't know how much the dealer charges to do it, but I'm sure it'll save you a lot of money. I hope it helps.